we are at My Home Construction's 35th anniversary, and we have none other than the managing director himself, Mr. Shamrao Garu. So we welcome you to our channel, sir. What's the next 5-year plan after the 35 years completion?
So thank you. This is our 35th anniversary, and group has had great success over the last 35 years. We're the largest real estate player in Hyderabad, and we have delivered about 27 million square foot of resi and office so far, and we have another 35 million square foot which is in the construction or under pipeline, and the plans are on for the next 5 years. We have great plans ahead, and today specifically I think we've launched our Tridasa online booking, which is something we've tried to introduce part of our 35 years anniversary. So we will be allowing from coming Ugadi, which is the main event here in the Telugu state, we will be launching our online platform where people can book their flat online without having to come to our offices, and the entire transaction will be seamlessly supported by our team back in the office, and we will ensure that the customer experience is as smooth as possible. So this is something we are now very excited about.
Since you mentioned the Ugadi is very nearing, and this is an auspicious occasion, can you give us any good news to your customers? Any kind of announcements?
So we are coming up, like I said, in Tellapur, which is suburban of the financial district in Hyderabad. It's a very prime location. It's an upcoming location in Tellapur. We're coming up with a large township, part of which we've already launched a villa project which is called My Home Ankura. It's one of the largest villa projects with 603 villas, 75 acres, and it is due for delivery this year from June onwards. So that'll be one of our exciting and large villa project, and right as part of that, the development, we've even come up with Tridasa, which you can see here, which is high-rise G+30 storied towers. This is going to be a unique 1300 to 1800 square foot apartments for the millennials. That's a target space, and for the younger IT crowd. And this is going to be part of the larger development that's going to come up in Tellapur, and we are very excited to work in this space because I think that will come up as a city within a city. So our next 5 to 8 year focus, like you were mentioning earlier, would be in this location. And we are very excited to come up with the entire township, which will be the first of its kind in Hyderabad.
Any expansion plans to other states, or only focusing right now for Hyderabad?
So currently we are very much focused in Hyderabad. We have large plans over the next 5 to 8 years, like we've mentioned through the business conference that we've just held. So we are focusing on this market, but again there is great focus in terms of going to another market. We are also focusing on Bangalore and Pune. Yeah, we are looking at those markets. We are doing a preliminary, kind of recce in terms of where we fit into this market, because today real estate space is very dynamic, and you have not seen many people successful pan-India scale. So we are conscious about that, but we believe we have value to bring into these markets as well. So we definitely will be coming in the next 3-5 years. We will definitely hit 1 or 2 of these markets.
Thank you for your time.